Alright, it's a little windy here, but this is a C8 Z06. You know, the Corvette Stingray is already fast enough, but this thing takes it to a whole nother level. It's got supercar performance at a not-so-supercar price. Maybe part of the magic is because this car is mid-engine mounted. The engine's in the back, unlike all the previous Corvettes. That's very difficult to turn sometimes, but the mid-engine mount distributes the weight better and makes it easier to handle. This car, I think, is about 150,000 fully loaded. For a while, they were selling for well above the MSRP on these. I think this is well worth the money. Let's go see how it does.
If you like motorsports and want to learn more about the racetrack experience, check out driveonthetrack.com.
So, I've never driven a C8 Z06. Corvette's already cool anyway, but this is the high rod of all high rods. These things are going for way over asking price. And I'm lucky enough to drive one today, on the track no less. Sounds amazing. Visibility is a little bit challenging because the back end is very wide. So on the rear view mirrors, you see most of the air intake in the back. But it makes you feel fast already. This thing's nice. It's got a heads-up display. Interior is nice and supportive. This bridge is a really nice touch. You got all your controls here. A driver's car. Brakes, very, I wouldn't say grabby, but you can feel it. Throttle response is really good. It's punchy. You just give it a little gas, there you go. I'm driving at maybe 40-50%. It's already faster than my other car. But we know it's going to go fast going straight. But how does it do in the turns? Oh, these brakes are powerful. It goes where you point. It's responsive. It's precise. It's got a lot more traction than you think. See, I'm not getting used to it. I'm torn, so I don't do the turns because I think it's going to drift, but it's very planted. Look at that. Turns tight. Wow.
This is in the Stingray?
This is 06. This is the real car.
This car is 140.
You can get one used for maybe like 110-ish now. It's fast. I drove already, you know. The traction this car has.
Yeah.
It's a big car, but look, it turns different. Amazing. I already feel oversteering a little bit, and then I'm just driving on the contract mode, I guess. You look, like.
But this has more traction than anything that you've had?
Yeah. Like, just driving like at this pace.
Yeah, I can't believe it's traction.
It's not about the power. I mean, it has lots of power, but like in terms of the traction, you don't have to fight this for traction.
Seeing it.
Look at that, it just goes.
Oh my gosh.
Like, how do you not drive fast?
Oh fucking god.
Right, it's like a race car. Like,
ridiculous.
look at that, it just turned the wheel. Like,
Crazy shit.
I'm like half throttle. Look at old part. Like that. Like, how do you?
And it's understeering, so it's giving you
Yeah.
more. Jesus, I never felt a car do that.
I know.
Ever.
You
I've
have
been
to.
doing this for years.
That's why I think you have to be in it. Like, and there's no effort.
Even if you up, it's just on the front.
Yeah.
Just pushing a little.
Yeah, and then you step out a little bit. So if you pick the right line, you just drift out of it. You go tell them.
Oh my god. How is that possible?